Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 28. Let's start. Alright. We need to collect 10 cats. We still need 9 more. Number 2. Alright. Number 3.
Nice.
Good. Here is number 4. Alright, we need 6 more. Here
Perfect.
is number 5. Nice. Alright, one
Excellent.
more. Yes. Okay, 4 more to go. Maybe here.
Amazing.
Yes. Alright, 3 more. Let's try there.
Unbelievable.
Yes. Okay. Here as well. And the last one is there.
Unbelievable.
Alright, thank you for watching.